Hello Matt, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for this beautiful 2011 Can Spyder. Kilometer has 34,249 and the price is 11,788 plus HST and license. This Can Spyder comes with two brand new front tires and one rear brand new tires too. Extra accessories, as you can see, comes with a tall windshield and also has a stereo system here that you could use an iPod or MP3 comparable. The unit is very clean and is fully safety certified. It comes with the saddlebags. The saddlebag is removable. You take it with you when you go into the hotel. Easy to take it off. And it also comes with a backrest for the passenger. Same thing, is removable if you travel alone, so you could take it off and put a cover. The unit is available at this time. If you have some questions, please give me a call, or you're better off if you want to secure this unit, give me a call, 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contact.